Hello, my friends. Welcome to the very first of many HotPot Bob videos. In this channel, I will take you on my journey of starting, running, and continually posting videos on a variety of topics such as restaurants I visit, recipes, food hacks, places I visit, and update you on my progress as a YouTuber. You may see the good, the bad, and the ugly as I stumble along. Why YouTube? Well, for many, many years, just about every night after dinner, I sit down with my wife and we watch YouTube clips on a variety of topics from food, travel, to investments, and just about every single time I tell her, I could do what they do. Then one day, out of the blue, she asks, well, then why don't you? Don't just be all talk and no action. Well, as someone who loves a challenge, I immediately responded with not much thought into it. Well, maybe I will. Now here I am, the birth of a baby YouTuber. How did I come up with the name HotPot Bob? Well, I love food. Whether it's going out to eat or cooking it at home, my wife's favorite food is hot pot. Just to let you know, hot pot is a flavorful broth that is typically served inside a large metal pot that is placed at the center of a table. The broth is brought to a boil and left simmering. Family and friends gather together and we cook all the raw ingredients such as meats and vegetables, anything that they like to put into the broth. And just to let you know, my name is Bob. Put it together and there you have it. Hot Pot Bob. And now you know the rest of the story. Now, is this channel going to be successful? I have no idea. Is this channel going to fail? I don't know. Possibly. The one thing I am certain of is that I'll have fun and learn a lot from it. Who knows? Maybe as I go along, this may inspire and give some of you the confidence to do the same. I know some of you have thought about creating your own channel at one point in time. Maybe some of you watching have already done so or are currently doing so. Believe me, if a below average Bob like me can do this, you can definitely do this also. I'll also share with you the equipment I upgrade to as I go along. Now, I originally planned on buying about, believe it or not, about $3,000 worth of equipment to get started, but I decided to put that off and tried to do this with as little investment as possible and work my way up. I am starting this with pretty much only my iPhone 12 and a tripod that I bought for about $20. I now have my why, and that's to show my wife of 20 years that I can create a YouTube channel with very little idea of what the heck I'm doing. I also have very little tech knowledge and with little social and public speaking skills. I am going to hopefully fail forward as I go along and would love for all of you and your friends to follow me on this journey. I would also love to hear your feedback, suggestions, and ideas on how I can get better. I am at exactly 0 followers as of this posting. Let's get this channel to the moon and beyond. I can easily go through something called analysis paralysis and overanalyze every aspect of this venture and make sure everything is perfect before I start posting. But I'm a big believer that practice makes perfect. Just post and learn as you go along. The more I post, the better I think I'll get. Now, please subscribe, turn on the post notifications. I greatly appreciate. Now, there you have it. Get ready for my next posting that will come out in the next few days. Grab some popcorn, sit back, and enjoy the ride we are going to take together. Wish me luck, and I will see you all very soon. I'm going to close with this. Remember, life is short. Turn your dreams into reality. There is nothing you cannot accomplish as long as you believe in yourself, believe in your cause, and most importantly, believe in the purpose. Let's go.